Mineral fiber board.
TRUSUS offers more than 30 formats and surface designs for any system. The surfaces of the ceiling tiles are color-coded and enhanced with every pattern. Excellent slag as main raw material, without asbestos, harmless to the human. Polite for filling materials, heat insulation and sound absorption. Adding rare earths, inorganic composite materials produces the negative oxygen ion. Purified and disinfected the air. Be good for circulatory system and respiratory system, so it is called green forest in the air. Recycled and environment friendly. TRUSUS Acoustic Mineral Fiber Board is available for indoor suspended ceiling, such as school, office, hospital, sports center, restaurant, hotel, so on so forth.
Trust us from Heart Corporation. Reasonable price, unique quality, scheduled delivery on time, updated technology and equipment, service warmly.